Do you still get pop-up notification even when Do Not Disturb is on? Here's how to hide them when the screen is on and Do Not Disturb is active. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap Do Not Disturb. Next, tap Hide Notification. Under When the Screen is On section, enable Don't Show Pop-up Notification. As a note, this option will automatically be enabled and cannot be turned off if you enable Hide from Notification panel option. However, important system alert like phone status and critical notification will never be hidden. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.